This is tutorial 1-6 in the GIS tutorial 1 book. We're on page 27. This is a one-page tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is save our map as tutorial 1-6. So let's go File, Save As, and we're just going to change the 5 to a 6 here. And we want to go to Bookmarks and choose 48 contiguous states. Number 3 says turn off the Colorado streets and the Colorado counties layer. They are already turned off, so we don't need to worry about that. On the Tools toolbar, click the Select Features button. And this is the Select Features button. And then it says click inside Texas. So we're going to click inside Texas. And it gets highlighted with a blue outline. Number 6 says hold down the Shift key and click inside the 4 states adjacent to Texas. So here is New Mexico. I'm holding the Shift key down. Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. And because we're holding the Shift key down, it continues to select states without unselecting the ones that were selected before. And it says save our map, so we'll click on save, and that is the end of tutorial 1-6.